You got skills. Whoa! What up, everybody? In today's video, kind of a trend lately right now, but I just love exhaust videos, so another exhaust. So yeah, no, this should be like one small exhaust. I don't know, but hey, so we got an HKS muffler for the Honda Fit. Gonna be super fun. 2 things for your exhaust videos. All right, what you guys need is WD-40, 100%, and this exhaust hanger tool. I'm telling you guys, I bring this up on all my exhaust videos. This thing is amazing. You guys will see this thing. Luckily, this should be a very simple install. This is probably 2, maybe 12 millimeter bolts. No, dude, those things, we got those 2 bolts. Dude, those are, I'm gonna say 12 or 11. I don't know, we'll see. It's just WD-40, these little guys right here. And this thing will pop right off. All right, we're gonna replace this little stock boy for this guy. Oh man, this thing is super nice. Realistically, I wanted to get one of these things for the Del Sol, but yeah, no, let's get this thing out of the box. First off, let's get this one out and off, and then we'll go and install this one. So I'm gonna... That's a perfect fucking shot. It's a 12, it's not a 12. Oh, look at that. 12. In my exhaust. Okay. There we go. Alright, so now you take this sweet tool and you just use it. Drop this guy. Woo! Almost had to change my underwear. In there. That's my little guy out. Look at that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is off. Boom, it's out. Throw this thing in the garbage. Alright, so I never did this with the Del Sol, I don't think, but I want to hear what it sounds like without a muffler. So, let's hear it. It actually doesn't sound that bad. Still looks like a difference. It's quieter than my Del Sol. Exhaust is on. Other hanger is on. Look at that, just that simple, dude. Oh, this looks so good on this car too. Oh yeah.